welcome back to our channel. So today guys, we are going to prepare eggplant sauce with green leaves. So we decided to share it with you guys. So today we have this green leaf that a family friend brought for us. If you guys remember our previous video, we show you guys all what they brought for us as a gift. Every year they used to do like that. They normally do like that. They bring it to us.
Yeah.
So this year they brought the same thing again to us. So we decided to show you guys in our previous video. So we are going to use one of those green leaves to cook this eggplant sauce. So we decided to share it with you guys. So guys, if this is your first time in our channel, you're welcome to this channel. Please feel free to watch the video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you see. So guys, let's get started. And for my old subscribers, I'm sorry, you know I love you so much. You are part of my family. So I will never forget you guys because you're always there for me. You watch my video, you share my video, and you subscribe to my channel. So
and you like them.
Yeah. And I want to say thank you for that. I love you guys. So now let's get started. I have some eggplant, some green. So now I'm just cooking them for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then later I'll mash them in my mortar. So I'm just mashing it. My daughter is helping me to do that. She's mashing the scotch bonnet also. So now this is the eggplant after mashing it. The green is already ready. So these are the fish I'm going to use. I make this fish at home myself. So guys, you can try it out. I have a video for this also. It's so good. So these are the sliced tomatoes. I've chopped the tomatoes I'm going to use for this recipe. These prawns, I've washed it thoroughly with warm water and salt to avoid sand. Crayfish, some sliced onions, my smoked microfish, scotch bonnet. So these are all the spices I'm going to use for this recipe. I have curry, thyme, paprika, Maggi, and salt to taste. I'm going to use olive oil for this recipe. You can use the oil of your choice, but I love olive oil. I decided to use it. So now I just want to add my olive oil on my pot. So I add some salt. So now I just add my onions, sorry. And leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I add my tomato. I'll give it a stir and leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I add my thyme, my curry, paprika. I'll give it a nice stir to mix everything together very well. I'll just leave it to cook for other 2 minutes. As you can see, it's just cooking. So beautiful and nice. I'll add my crayfish. my scotch bonnet. I just add my prawns, my Maggi. I'll stir it very well so that everything will combine together. Wow, as you can see, the stew is just so good. Now I have to add the fish at this point. Well, I'm adding the fish now because I want the fish to cook very well inside the sauce so that the fish will have a nice taste and the sauce will just penetrate inside the fish. In that way you feel the flavor. It's time to add the eggplant. I'll give it a nice taste. Wow. This one are correct. So it's time for me to add the microfish. This microfish, I just add it inside this eggplant sauce to give it a nice taste. So I don't care if I don't see anything to eat. Just put it there so that I can have this nice taste because I so much love it when I'm making eggplant sauce. It gives it a nice taste. So now I'm going to add the green. I love green leaf so much. I use it to cook. I can use it to make stew, soup, and I'll make green leaf to eat plantain or ripe plantain. I love it so much. So now I just have to stir it together very well so that everything will mix together very well. Wow. Guys, don't you love what you are seeing? Me, I love what I'm seeing. I'm going to use it to eat correct plantain today. You can use it to eat yam, even rice, potatoes, anything you feel like using it to eat. It's up to you, but it's so good. Wow, guys, as you can see, you have come to the end of this video. This eggplant and green leaves sauce is so nice. Try it out at your home. It's so good and it's so rich. It's health beneficial. So guys, I want to say a very big thank you. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. Ciao. Let's do some funny things. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, what the my ear! Which can't see there yet now? This girl safe. They make everything they tire me safe. They are seeing your face. Oh, my earring has fallen.